Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to load data from a text file into the database. I have already created source directory for text file and database connection. In this example I will be loading data into a Microsoft SQL server, but the same principle can be used for any database. Let's start from creating a new transformation. So we click new and we call it text to database. Next step is to select our source file. Here it is. Our source file is delimited. So we sense that the file is delimited and file encoding is auto and the header is one line. Let's reformat it. It's rather wide file. We can also use plus button to add new field or delete button to delete the last one. Let's set field names. We are taking the field names from line number 1. What we can also do, we can go to definition tab and update the field names here. It is also possible, for example, when working with fixed width files, and if you have very wide file, it might take very long time to type all these fields names and width as well. So what you can do, you can copy it to Excel. Just copy it, paste, update it in Excel, and then you just paste it back. This is much more efficient and saves a lot of time. So let's delete validator because we're not going to validate anything. We're loading data into SQL server, so need to set connection type to SQL server, select connection name from the drop down, and we need to select the table. What we also want to do, we want to truncate the table before importing. And now we need to map source fields to target. We'll use automap function for that. Just click map and everything is done for us. We can use a number of transformation functions if it is what we want. For example, we can convert something to uppercase. For example, first name. We press preview button. So it is converted in uppercase. We can test everything we want. We can change the value here. We can even see the result of our transformation. And we can see previous step execution work. So we are now ready to import the data. All we need to do just to press the green arrow. For some reason some of the work has failed. We check the log. Okay, so some of the field names are too long. So what we can do, just for this example, we can just remove the field name completely. Remove the mapping. Let's run it again. Now everything was loaded. Entire 100,000 rows, and we can actually see the data. Let's have a look. It is, you see this field is skipped. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or struggling with transforming your data, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.